Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Let's look at this question. This is NOV-DEC 2024. In the diagram, the angle SRQ is given as 35, as we can see here, and that of the angle SPQ is given as 25. So we are to find the size of the angle PQT. Why is it PQT? So we're looking for this very angle. In question 30, we are looking for angle RQT. RQT, right? R, then Q, then T. So these two angles, and these two angles are supplementary. So if you know one, we subtract from 180 to get the other one. So what do we do? I am going to look at the triangle RTQ. It's a triangle. So if that is a triangle, I know this place. If I know the value of this plus this, that will be the sum of angles in the triangle. Alright, since this is known, this is not known, I can't find this. So I need to know the value of this angle here. Then if I look at the arc QS, this arc is the one that formed the angle 25 at P. The same arc that is forming the angle that is unknown at T. And this is angle formed by the same arc at the circumference are the same. So I'm going to say that the angle, let's see, STQ, this very angle, is equals to 25 degrees. And what property accounted for that? Angles in the same segment. So the property we can use to get that angle is angles in the same segment. So this will also be 25 degrees. So that completes my triangle. So I can say that from the triangle RTQ, if I add all the angles I'm looking for, if I add that angle, that is 25 degrees plus 35 degrees plus this very angle that is unknown here, I am only going to say angle TQR, right? Will give me 180, which will be the sum of the angles in a triangle. So in that case, this will be 50, 60. So I'll have the angle TQR equals to 180 degrees minus what? 60 degrees, and that will be 120 degrees. So this very angle, this obtuse angle here is going to be 120 degrees. Then what is next? Let's look at first question. The first question is asking for PTQ. PQT, which is this angle, which is supplementary to what we found. So I am only going to say that, therefore, the angle PQT plus the angle we found as 120 will give us 180 degrees. That will be angles on a straight line. You know, angles on a straight line add up to what? 180 degrees. So what do? We only find angle PQT to be equals to 180 minus 120, and that will give us 60 degrees. So in all, we know what PQT is at 60 degrees. So we'll be picking the D as the option best for question 29. Then find the size of RQT. RQT, which we found in the early stage as what? 120. And that will be the option here as what? Option B. So these two questions can be answered using the properties, angles in the same segment, the sum of angles on the straight line, and the angles on a straight line. No, this one is sum of angles in the triangle, the angle on a straight line. I guess the concept is clear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.